In this video, we'll be talking about how to change your HSBC credit card PIN. If you want to change your PIN, you can head over right here to your HSBC website, and then from in there, you can head over and then scroll down, and then look for the secure key as well as secure message, and you can also go over and then just try to change it using this way. You can head over right here to the online banking. Then just scroll down, click onto this register now if you haven't done it yet, or you can also head over and then log in. Then from in there, just request to change your PIN using the website path. Now, alternatively, you can also go over right here and find the branch of HSBC near you, and you can head over and then go and talk to a teller. Another option is to change it using your ATM. So into your ATM, just head over and insert your card. And then from in there, make sure to choose the PIN services and then just change your PIN using the PIN services on the ATM.